Welcome to another CAMFive EMB video. Today, let's use a tool that we haven't used in a while, the clip frame. Join us. For pocket embroidering, there's nothing like the clip frame to achieve it. We set it the following way. When the embroidery ends, release the clamps and take the extra stabilizer off. You can do this embroidery in smaller or bigger spaces, but always remembering to stretch the material as much as possible for quality embroidery. Thanks for watching! Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos of our embroidery machines and follow us on social media for info and news about CAMFive EMB.